reflection of light. We'll consider a surface XY, basically a mirror. One side is polished thoroughly, and this is the perpendicular line which is drawn on the surface, that is called as normal. Okay, now the light ray is coming from the source. Okay, yes, that is the AO is the incident light ray, which will make an angle here, that is called I, angle of incidence. After hitting the surface at O, it will bounce back to the same medium, that is called angle of reflection, and that is called OB, reflected light ray. Okay, here one angle will form, that is called glancing angle, angle between the surface and the incident light ray. This is called D, angle of deviation, angle between the surface and the reflected ray. Clear? So what is reflection? It is the process of bouncing back of the light to the same medium. Whenever the light falls on the mirror or any reflecting surface, it will comes back to the same medium, and some part of the light will be absorbed by the surface. What is I here? It is called as angle of incidence, angle formed between the angle of incidence, and the normal. Okay, and R is the reflected light ray. It is the angle between the normal and the reflected light ray. Clear? Okay, so AO is the incident light ray, OB is the reflected ray, NO is the normal, which is the perpendicular drawn on the surface to study or understand incident ray, reflected ray, incident angle and reflected angle and all. So gamma is glancing angle, angle between the surface and the incident light ray. D is called angle of deviation. O is called point of incidence. I is angle of incidence. R is angle of reflection. XY is the reflecting surface. Here we have to understand one more important thing. Whenever the light ray falls via normal, okay, it will reflect back or bounce back via same path. Okay, so I can simply say that angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection, that is nothing but 0. And here loss of reflection will be taken as, first one, angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. Okay, let me say if it hit the surface at 30 degree and it will bounce back with 30 degree only. If it is comes and hit the surface with 27 degree and it will reflect back with 27 degree only. In general, I am telling examples. So I can say that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Clear? Second one, incident light ray, normal and reflected light ray. All three lie on the same plane, same surface. Incident ray, normal and reflected ray, all lie on the same plane. Okay, this is all about reflection of light.